Welcome to Random Walk, the innovators in AI technology. Our latest proof of concept is transforming the pharmaceutical industry's inward inventory process. Our journey begins with the seamless scanning or selecting of vendor invoices. The system expertly matches these invoices against the purchase orders raised by the pharma, laying the groundwork for an error-free inventory process. As products arrive, our visual AI technology takes over. It scans each medical product, matching it meticulously with the details on the invoice. This crucial step ensures every item received aligns perfectly with what was ordered. Upon completion of the scan, a notification box will appear, displaying any missing items from the invoice. These products may not be accepted, but with every match confirmed, the system automatically updates your ERP or inventory management system, including barcode generation, which would ease the tracking mechanism. Embrace the future with Random Walk's AI solutions, where technology meets practicality, bringing about a transformation in the pharmaceutical inventory process.